Hello, it's Tasha with WTI.
This laser is a legit pro-grade device for any construction site and yet easy to use for the common do-it-yourselfer. The build quality is top-notch, from durability of the frame to the soft touch of the buttons of the device. The brightness adjustment is really handy. I have used the laser in large rooms and new construction as well as small furnished rooms, and just being able to adjust the brightness accordingly is awesome. The functionality of the auto level is very precise, quicker than a lot I have worked with. It has 4 lasers, 2 horizontal, 2 vertical, and it can be turned on individually or all at the same time. This has proved to be great leveling in multiple directions with just one device. It really has wonderful modes that are handy for any circumstances. For example, the auto level mode allows so you can set it to any semi-level surface and the device will auto level within 4 degrees. That's amazing. So if you have any projects like stairs or custom angles or just want to hang a frame in your house, this is awesome. I really also love the magnetic arm. It is really easy. I can attach it to scaffolding, metal doors, trailers, anything that has metal in the area, I can just set it up. In the home, I've even attached it to my fridge. The magnets are very strong and give me the confidence to hang this valuable laser anywhere I need to. It also comes with a little base to place on a table, so it has a rotation dial. So that's really nice. You can't go wrong with this leveling laser.
So that's my point of view.